Jodie Sweetin, who is perhaps best known as Stephanie Tanner on the early '90s show Full House, filed a lawsuit yesterday against the driver who allegedly caused an accident last year in which Sweetin was injured and totaled her vehicle. The driver, Taylor Savros, reportedly turned left in front of Sweetin as she was driving through an intersection in LA last March. In the suit, Sweetin claims she wants to be compensated for loss of wages, property damage, and medical expenses to the tune of $25,000. The actress tweeted about the accident and revealed her injuries, which included a fractured wrist, but said she was thankful she didn't have her children in the car.